Hey everyone, I'm Saijin and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to compare the Call of Duty graphics default comparison between the Realme X2 Pro versus the Realme X7 Max device. Let's see friends what are the default graphics you can actually get in these both phones. That is what the most of the users they did request me for a very long time, and finally I got some time to make this kind of video. The Realme X2 Pro has got the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, and whereas the Realme X7 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. Let me just show you exactly what variants I'm trying to use. So this is a 8GB RAM variant which I'm trying to use in this kind of testing. So let me just quickly open the Call of Duty game. So here's the Call of Duty game, and let's see what are the default settings you can actually get in this phone. So a lot of users they are really interested to know friends, because only the PUBG and the BGMI game got really optimized in the Dimensity 1200, not other games. No, not other games at this moment. Only that one game got optimized really good in the Realme X1 Max, but a lot of users they actually want to know about other games as well. So that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of series, starting with other games. So testing the Call of Duty game first. So let's see Call of Duty game, what will be the default graphic settings between both of these phones. So till now, in terms of the gaming, which phone is really optimized? I would say that Snapdragon 855 Plus is slightly optimized. So in terms of the gaming, yes. So that is what I felt friends, because this Realme X2 Pro has got the 90 FPS update long back in the PUBG. Even in the version 1.4 itself, it got, because of the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. Even till today as well, this phone is really powerful. Yes. So let me just show you exactly the settings, what is default available in these both phones. Let me go to the settings and open the settings. Let's see whether you can actually use the graphics and the high FPS at same time or not. That is what I'm going to test at this moment. Let me go to the audio and the graphics. So in the Realme X1 Max, these are the settings which we got right now. As you can see friends, low, medium, high and very high. So as soon as I select the very high, it will immediately jump down to the very high only. So max FPS you're not getting. As you can see friends, here the graphics quality and the frame rates, you cannot select maximum at all in this Realme X1 Max, but some people they are okay with this one. So some people they do want to enjoy this kind of high benefits, because they are paying 27,000 rupees and they cannot expect this kind of small things. So that's not problem with the Realme, or so only the game developers they need to really optimize the games for this Dimensity 1200 as well. That's another thing which is pending. Let's see the Realme X2 Pro. What is the Realme X2 Pro is up to? So Realme X2 Pro, you do get the low, medium, not bad, high and very high and maximum. That's fantastic. As you can see friends, even though this phone is really old, I think 1.5 year old mobile phone, but still the few of the games are really maxed out graphics. That's really good to see this kind of optimization. So I'm not sure friends whether the Dimensity 1200 will be optimized for other games. Maybe for the Battlegrounds Mobile and PUBG it got optimized, but not sure about other games whether it will optimize or not. That's the one thing you should always remember. So right now these are the default settings we are getting in this both phones. So let me quickly start the match as well. Let me just show you. So let's select the maximum. I'll try to select the very high. So I'm trying to select maximum high quality and high FPS, and very high graphics quality and high FPS. I just want to do small jump. Let's see what will happen if I try to play the Battle Royale match. And in case if you want me to do different kind of gaming test as well, so make sure let me know in the comment section below. I'll be able to do those kind of gamings in my channel as well, in terms of making this kind of review and testing which phone has got what type of graphics. So let's see friends what will be the settings. Here we go, and both phones are right now loaded, and the Realme X1 Max is loaded at this moment. And let me to start running and show you exactly what is the FPS I'm getting right now. So you'll be able to see the real-time FPS as well when I'm trying to play. Let me show you exactly. As you can see, so now you're getting about 51 F60 FPS, not bad. Let me do the same thing, run and show you the FPS count. So both phones are really they're really capable of playing at 60 FPS, no issues, but high quality graphics you may not be getting in the Realme X1 Max. So that's the one thing if you want a high quality graphics, so which I thought of just mentioning to you all. So you can see the CPU and the GPU utilization, how the both phones are behaving. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm getting about 59 FPS at this moment. So this is one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all, most of the people. So if you want to know what are the graphics, so this video might be helpful for few users who are actually looking for this kind of exact thing. And real-time FPS, when I'm trying to jump, it's kind of maintaining around 60 and 59. I'm using this Realme X2 Pro for the past few years, and still 1.5 years, I mean, not few years, only just 1.5 years, but still the gaming is really great in this phone. So no issues in terms of the gaming, absolutely no issues at all. And let's see what is the Realme X1 Max is doing. It's doing up to 59 FPS. 59 FPS the Realme X1 Max is doing. 59 and 60, not bad, not bad at all, as you can see. So we missed the eye graphics, but definitely you'll be getting that kind of 60 FPS ultimately. So you should not be worrying about this kind of 60 FPS. It's kind of really fast, no issues in terms of the movements and nothing. And let's try to play in the Realme X2 Pro sometime. Even the Realme X2 Pro is really great, friends. So no words about this Realme X2 Pro. It's fantastic. And these are the quick graphics default settings, and this is the quick gameplay comparison between both phones. In case if you want intense kind of gameplay, definitely I'll try to do another video. But this is just short video which I thought of just showing you the default graphics and ending up the video. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, you can definitely ask me in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned, friends. More. Bye. And one final thing is that you don't get any kind of 4D vibration support in the Realme X1 Max. No. So while playing the Call of Duty, you don't get this kind of support. That's another thing which I thought of just mentioning. So only at this moment, PUBG is only the one game which is supported with the 4D vibration in the Realme X1 Max. Not even the BGMI, not even the Battlegrounds Mobile. So I'm not sure when they'll be updating that Battlegrounds Mobile. So that's another thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So that's one thing which is pending at this moment in this Realme X1 Max, to fix this kind of 4D vibrations, which are really fantastic, friends, but they are not allowing to use in the other games. So then there's no point at all. So that's what my point is. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. So don't forget to check the links in description for other videos in case if you're interested. That will be really interesting to see as well. And stay tuned for more updates. Bye.